I'm sure you must have seen this trending and viral AI video. If you want to learn how to do it, just then stay with me. Make sure to follow. The first thing you're going to do is upload your picture to Gemini. Now paste this prompt and generate it. When you are done generating, you should get something like this. Save it to your gallery. Go to Kling AI. PS, you can also use Flow AI. Now, import a completely white background as your start image. Then upload the image generated from Gemini as your end image. Now, you go back and copy the video prompt you will see in the comment. Paste it there like this and hit generate. Then you should get your video. Alright, do like and drop a comment if this video was helpful. Thank you. Bye.